Hi, in this important video, you're going to discover fat loss workout for beginners. I'm going to go over this important information in order to help you as a beginner lose fat and do it the right way and as fast as you possibly can, because that's what you want, right? You want to get this done and reach your goals. So my name is Coach Jim O'Connor from a consumer fat loss and fitness advocate website called WellnessWord, as in WORD. Let's get this concept straight now. Fat loss workout. So what is the best fat loss workout for beginners? Well, the best, most effective way is to be on a strength training or resistance training program in coordination with a caloric deficit, because obviously if you want to lose fat, you're on a fat loss workout, you need to be in a caloric deficit. So it's important if you be in a caloric deficit and do strength training at the same time. Now you're wondering, why do I want to do strength training? Why do I want to lift weights in order to lose fat? Well, because you're in a caloric deficit, your goal is to maintain muscle, because muscle is being lost in coordination with fat when you're in a caloric deficit. You want to maintain it. You want to minimize the amount of fat, muscle that's being lost, because muscle is metabolically active and it will increase your metabolism. So that's why you want to maintain, you do strength training, and you want to keep your strength, right? You don't want to waste away and lose that valuable muscle to help your metabolism increase. So that's the important thing. Now, you are a beginner, but here's the important thing. If you really don't love strength training, I want you to do some type of physical activity. I don't care if it's walking, and it's not the most effective way. Walking is not the most effective fat loss workout for beginners. But if it's something that you're going to do on a regular basis and you're going to adhere to day after day after day, week after week after week, month after month, year after year, that may be the most effective thing for you personally. I mean, I have clients of mine that don't do higher intensity type of cardiovascular HIIT training. What they'll do is they'll do steady state walks. Why? Because they enjoy the socialization. They have a group of friends they walk with. And is that the most effective way? Or would I rather have them do interval training, high intensity interval training? Well, this is something that they're going to do. They're not going to do the interval training, but they want to get together with a group of their friends to walk and to burn fat and enjoy each other at the same time. So it's really an individual situation, but yes, strength training is the most important in a caloric deficit and eating your protein. So when I say strength training, what do I mean? I mean a couple of days a week for 20 to 30 minutes about. So you're looking at less than an hour a week of strength training. And concentrate on the multi-jointed exercises such as bench presses, push-ups, chest presses, pull-downs, rows, shoulder presses, squats. You want exercises that work multiple muscles, not just arm curls that work a single joint, work just the bicep area. You want multiple multi-jointed exercises, because they're going to get more bang for the time that you're investing in this. So that's in planks. You want to do abdominals as well. So that's what you want to focus on. You want fat loss workout for beginners. You got to get started, and it's all about adherence and staying consistent. So in order to help you further, what I've created is a very, very special report, because the newest, hottest stuff in weight loss is something I'm sure you haven't heard. It's called the neuroscience of weight loss, and it stems from the brain. The brain, yes, the brain. You can do things. You can prime or condition your brain in order to help you lose fat. And that is something you need to do. So what I've done is I've created a report at my website for 100% free. It's called Fat Loss Forever, the top 7 ways to prime your brain for permanent fat loss. And how do you get this report? What you need to do is find the link below the description box here. Click on that link, and I'm going to take you to my private site. And for 100% free, you are going to have the opportunity to download Fat Loss Forever, the top 7 ways to prime your brain for permanent fat loss in video, audio, or in a PDF, a book that you can read. And it's free. So go ahead, do it right now. Don't miss out. This is the newest, hottest stuff in weight loss. You need to apply these 7 principles immediately, and you will see results, and it'll change your life. Thanks so much for watching the video.